on, you guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. It is day 2. Oh, starting to pick up rain pretty hard. It is day 2. We are heading on out to Simply Clean in Daytona. Amjad is behind me. Right there. But we are now heading on out, so we should see some sweet cars. It is unfortunately raining outside, but it's like on and off showers, so it won't be that big of a deal, but it does scare away some people with the rain. They don't want their cars to get wet. But anyways, time to go to the, I'm about to sneeze. So without further ado, let's go to Simply Clean.
Avenue.
Alrighty, you guys, I think we are pretty close to the thing. Cars are starting to... Woo!
Turn left onto East Magnolia Avenue.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Wait, right here? Alright. Alright, bet.
Turn left, then the destination is on your right.
Alright, destination is on my right. Alright, I don't see nothing. What is going on? What the heck is this?
Proceed to the route.
I think Maps just took me to a freaking farm.
Arrived.
Freaking household foods. What is this? Wholesale foods. What is going on? Alright, we need to figure out where we're going. You see that carrot, bro?
Carrot?
Yeah. I think we're in the wrong spot.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're in the wrong spot.
Alrighty, so I'm an idiot. When I typed it in on Maps, I guess there were like 2 options and I chose the first one. Regardless, we are 20 minutes away from Simply Clean. What the heck? Alright, I guess I'll see you guys when we get there. This Trans Am is nuts! Whoa, that thing is nuts! Well, that brightened up my day. Let's go!
Poor Eric, he missed it again. That is so good.
Of course you're missing.
The fucking cops like fucking shit at him. Yo, this guy just unexpected back up. Here for 1 DM.
fly. I can fly.
Got some meat on the back.
And turbo. Hold on, stay here, stay here. Hopefully it gives me a little action.
There's more Type R's here than Porsches.